You can now get all the fundamentals to produce crystal clear audio in one place. I have built a course in Current Voice. It would reduce the effort of months of learning to 1 hour. This course covers everything from how to record good audio to producing excellent final audio. The final audio can become as good as to use in ACX. So if you need to know how to produce excellent voiceovers, podcasts or audiobooks, you can take this course. I mainly discuss the concepts with Audacity as that is completely free. I have organized the course for beginners. You will know the fundamentals and become confident in any type of voice editing. I also have shown how the principles can be used in Adobe Audition. As a bonus, I have shown how to make the audio inside the video better. I will give this link in the description from where you can buy the course. The first 9 people will get this course only for $9, after that it will be $37. After you purchase the course, I have to enroll you manually, and you will get an email. You will get access to the course within 12 hours of the purchase. If you want to remove all the worries about producing good clean audio, this course is your golden key.